So this is a quick video I decided to put together to show a little bit how to replace one of the switches that are in front of the microwave, the carousel Sharp, I think it is, yeah, Sharp Carousel. So the main issue I have with this one is when you open up the door, it starts spinning, like it turns on. That means one of the three switches that are part of the door, it's not working properly. And I think I know which one it is because I had issues recently with it. Kind of fixed it on its own when I pull it out. I already ordered the replacement and I have it here, so I'm going to replace it directly. So this microwave itself has this kind of screws were a little bit of a problem to remove if you don't have the proper one. So what I do to remove that one is I use this, which is a flat, which is just small enough to fit properly there. So with that you should be able to remove the casing. There you have a little bit of a glance of what the inside looks like. It's kind of straightforward. We need to, in this case I'm going to replace the switch. I think it's this one, but there are three of them. There's one on the bottom, there's one in the middle, and there's one on the top. In this case the one on the top is the one I want to get rid of. Let's see if I can remove this. I will most likely going to have to remove this screw and in order to remove this full piece to have access to the switches. And that also means I'm going to have to remove this. Okay, let me get rid of this. I think I have another one right down there in the bottom. There. So this is out. I have access to the other screw down there. I can move that. It's done. Now I can take this part out, or at least enough so I can have access to the switches. So you see, this is the one that I want to remove. So just take this down, this up, and the switch is gone. So this is the one that's been giving me trouble. Sometimes it will get stuck down, so it will cause the door to behave that way. So need to remember that grays on top, both radars are on the bottom, but there you go. This is it. So these actually come in two flavors, I would say. One is permanently open, one is permanently closed. That means this one, I think, is permanently open, meaning the circuit, it's open until you click on it, and at that point it becomes closed. That means this needs to be down for the circuit for current to move through it, but by default it's off. There's at least one or two of them there that I think are permanently closed, meaning that current is actually going through constantly, and when you click on it, you actually open the circuit, so current doesn't go through it. Okay. All right. Got myself a little bit of a replacement part. Got this one from eBay. They're like $7 to $9, so they're easy to find there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to replace that. bubble red was on the bottom, red and gray was on top. It's a little bit looser than I would like. Although it should be fine since this is not going to move. And then you try to put it back as it was. Part that should fit in here. There you go. Now it is. So upper part is there, lower part is there. Put that in. So I said it's not the snuggest tight, but this is not going to move. So it should be fine. Now we got that in place. Let's put this back as in place. This one I might need a little bit of there you go. Boom, done. That's working as it should. Closing the door. Now let's see if it works. Okay, got a little beep. So now let's get some stuff out of the way. So now as I open the door, nothing happens as it should. Close the door. There goes. Stop. Open the door. Nothing happens. That's the expected. Okay. I hope this was helpful for someone. Cheers.